But anyway, let's make some tacos. Sausages. It's looking so good, I don't want to eat it. So all I want to eat is pepperoni. And I know it tastes good.
Boy, now you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you
Cooking with Can. Cooking with Cuties. We're home. Finally. Finally. So, welcome to Taco Saturday. It's new. Yes, it's new. I'm creating it. I'm inventing it. Taco Saturdays, alright? Yes, so anyway, we'll cook some tacos. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, come like more and say something else. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Hi. Let me do that over. Hey guys, what's up? I'm home. I've been home for a minute. I don't know how to play that girl. No. Anyway, cuties, we're home and we're about to cook some tacos. So, welcome to Taco Saturday. I know. So lame. Anyway, you know what? Just let's get to the video. We have a purple onion. I don't know why I bought purple onion because I plan to cook over Kimar house, but I changed my mind because it's too difficult for vlog over Kimar house. So I bought one purple onion. I got scallion. I got sweet pepper. And all them stuff in the fridge, you know. But like me say, I have plan for cook over Kimar. So we'll buy everything over. We got taco. We got 3 different taco shell, but we're just carrying 2 because just for video purpose. That's it. That's it. We got ground beef. We got a little lettuce because I'm lazy and I don't want to cut up any. So I bought the cut one. We got cheese. We have, this is the next taco shell that we have. We got some pico de gallo and we have some avocado, crushed avocado. I also got like one just in case because Kimar not eat that. We have jalapeno. We have Taco Bell mild sauce. We have tomato. We have an onion powder. That's a lot of stuff. We also got this taco sauce because it looked real good. Yo. Alright. Like I was saying, I got this taco ranch taco sauce. It looked really good. I'm going to let y'all know. But it looked good. And we have garlic powder. And we have 2 taco seasons. Like I said, well, there's something that I don't know. It's so crazy. We spent $70 for nothing. Because I could have done this. We could have just buy the meat then. We could have just buy the meat and come on. But anyway, let's make some taco, okay? Alright, cutie. So what I'm going to do is get everything ready. Because taco is a pretty quick meal. From your start, you just have to keep going. Or else everything will just spoil. So I'm going to prep everything first before I turn on the stove. Alright? Oh my god. Cuties, I cannot cut without a cutting board. Them look at something here coming on me. Knife set. I'm going to use one of them. I said the little counter space so I have gone because the freaking card for the microwave burn up. So now we have to put the microwave over here, so I'm already on a counter in the house. Okay, cuties, so this is all the seasoning I'm gonna use. Red, green, and gold bell pepper, onion, and scallion. Alright, let's cook. Okay, cuties, so listen up, okay, before we start judge. This is like I said, how I do it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in the pot, just a little bit, okay? Then I'm gonna use a little bit of my onion and the scallion. Just a little more onion. And I'm gonna just make that cook. Turn up back the stove. Forget to turn it down. We're gonna let this saute a little bit, and then we're gonna add our ground beef in the pot. Oh cuties, I'm so sorry you guys missed when I was putting in the ground beef. I thought the camera was on. But anyway, it's in, and we're gonna let it cook and dry out before we season it. Okay? Yeah. So by the time we come back, everything's supposed to be brown. Brown. Alright? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the toppings. I'm gonna use purple onion, tomato, jalapeno, and I'm not ready to them. I don't know what I show them again for. And cheese. This is a lot, so we're gonna have to drain this. This would have been so much easier if I had one of them meat masher thing, but I don't, so we're just gonna take our time and mash them up. It's getting there, oh. And maybe I should have used a fork. Alright cuties, this look good. We're gonna leave it for cook a little bit more, and then we strain. Alright, let's finish making the topping. We're gonna take these out. We don't want that part. Guys, you don't have to throw this away. You could put this in your taco meat when you're seasoning it. I got some purple onion because I like it. I'm not gonna do a lot because it's just me eating this onion, I think. Make sure you chop these stuff as fine as possible. Okay guys, we also got this. I'm gonna wash these off and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, now that we got all the water drained out, the oil, we're gonna season this bad boy. First we're gonna put in all the herbs, anything you want to call them, seasoning herbs, whatever. I'm gonna put in that first, give that a little mix. I add some jalapeno to this guys because I don't have any hot pepper and I like spicy food. So we're gonna give that a little mixy. This one cut, man. The one and a half big, so. Oh, one. Okay, so we're gonna add a little adobo. Then we're gonna do a little bit of, this is a mixed Jamaican seasoning. A little bit of the mixed seasoning. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. I'm just gonna use half of each of them. This one. This well seasoning, my love. Well seasoning. Ooh. Cook for a little bit. Alright cuties, this is what the topping is looking like. I got everything chopped up and ready. I also got the sauce over there and the pico de gallo, whatever. Yeah, I want to try that real bad. Yeah, so let's go ahead and make these taco. Taco is finished, guys. It's looking so good. So juicy. So juicy. Alright, let's make them. Okay, cuties. So the first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of cheese. Not that much. Just a little bit of cheese in the middle of this. Just a little bit. And we're gonna put this in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Now we're gonna get our hard shell. This is what I'm using. Oh Lord, I hope they never cook. And this is what you want them to look like. Alright. Then you're just gonna take one of this and you're gonna put your shell in it and you're gonna wrap it. So the cheese is basically like a glue. You're gonna put it there. One like this. And then we're just gonna do a regular one. And then we're gonna do this one. So we're just gonna do 3 different types just for now. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese in here at the bottom, both of them. That already got cheese. Then we're gonna put a little bit of taco in there. Jalapeno in all of them. A little bit of onion. A little bit of cheesy. Then we're gonna go back in again with our taco meat. Some lettuce. And a little tomato on this one. We'll put the tomato here as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of the thing on this one. Ooh, y'all can tell me I am Mexican today. And we're gonna add a little bit of avocado to that. Avocado is messy. Okay, now let's put a little cheese on top. Now we're gonna use a little bit of the ranch sauce. Yo. Y'all see the vibe? Yeah. Y'all see the vibe, okay? This is, ooh. Yes. Okay, cuties, pick your favorite. Is it the soft shell or the hard one? Or you just put them together like me? Because life too short. Enjoy yourself. But anyway, this is looking so good. I don't want to eat it. Don't want to eat it. It's too pretty. And I know it tastes good. But anyway. Alright, guys. So now I'm going to carry over Kimar food. Then we even make a dust to camera. Usually anything we make camera eat it. You know there. But I'm gonna pack up them something here. Care of a few more and then probably see y'all later. I don't know. If not tomorrow. I'm gonna have to say soft shell is my favorite. I don't know if I because the braces, but it eat better to me. I mean, they're both good, but I don't know. That was come out
It's so cheesy.
Yeah, the cheesy our taco.
And it's alright.
That's a double, and that's my favorite. Oh my god, that was so good. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Yeah, so it's like it's alright. It's not no bad about it. So I'm not gonna go build a fight.
Mm-hmm. I don't think you know for real things.
I'm for real, yo.
Shut up. That's good for my braces. This is good.
Like this.
Right? The soft shell is good. I could eat 10 of them bitches. But no, I can't. Me try them and John. Oh. So far, you eat that one day? Because it's soft and easy to eat. Them here come like Doritos.
When I get this probably 7.5, 8.
Yeah? Okay. So I think it's going to be the soft shell for you.
Don't get me wrong. I love the hard shell. I see the shell drop and will like something them drop out be
Kimar,
Jaja.
the stuff them full taco over me, I never remember.
And you need to bring one knife or one spoon or something from the scoop them in back.
Scoop them back with your hand over here.
That man do. Them things you can't waste nothing out of them now.
Lick your 10 finger.
4, not 10, 4. But I exaggerate the thing about 10.
Me say you lick your 10 finger a while
4
ago.
finger. Get it right.
I tell my count. Mm-hmm. That is it right there.
Yeah.
The double shell, right?
Double shell shot.
Mm-hmm. I don't know why, but it balance it some way. I mean, I don't know why.
That makes it balance it.
Yeah, but anyway, cuties, that is it for Taco Sunday.
So double shell tell you
Taco Saturday.
Friday.
So Friday?
Yeah.
Why am I really in a dream world?
I'm gonna be here a week ago.
I don't want to know. But anyway, cuties, that is it for Taco Friday. It's a new thing. We just invented. Every Friday we're gonna have taco night. Right?
You're right.
Why? Why not?
Can you change your mind regular?
Yeah, I easily get bored, guys. And plus, Friday night at night with people live on road, so we have time slow now and cook taco every Friday. Right? Shot. I'm glad you like it. Anyway, cuties, tomorrow